First, let's go to Google Chrome and then go to sign in. Then we select create an account. There are three options: for my personal use, for my child, for work, or my business. Just press for my personal use. Then we have to select our first name and our last name. Let's press next. Our birthday, in this case, let's write this one. And our gender, female. Okay, next. So let's create our own Gmail address. And for example, let's try the next one. Wait, let's try our password. Let's verify our phone number just right here. And it's important to know that this verification code will arrive on our phone message. And then let's write next and let's wait for our code. And here is the code. Here is skip and next. Just agree. And our Google account is done. Please remember to subscribe and give like to this video.